This 3D print is of a Fidget cube that's 16 squares. I've done Fidget cube or infinity cube in the past that's 8 squares. I like those. They you just fidget with them and flip them and whatever. So I came across this one that has 16 cubes. Not sure how it's going to flip, but it's got a number of, the connectors. See, I got a little bit of fuzz on this. It's just going to flip different ways, I'm sure. Huh. So it's just another concept on a Fidget cube. It goes a number of different directions, flips around. And I'm trying to get it back to where it started from. There we go. Back to the beginning. So this particular Fidget cube took 11 hours to print. When I print the infinity cubes, it takes about 5 or 6 to print one of these. Just thought I'd try something a little different. Plus I had some brown at the end of the spool that I needed to use up. I guess you could make it into different shapes. So there you have it, another Fidget cube, infinity cube, whatever you'd want to call this.